Identify certain malpractices before they happen, and because of that, and we are able to arrest those attempts to ensure that the examinations that we are going to finalize next week will be the most credible so far. I will be collecting the statistics that I'll share next week when we complete the exercise. So far, there are a number of arrests that have taken place in CIA. There were a number of arrests that took place in Eldoret, and all of them relate to adults. The students are not really part and parcel of that particular syndicate. And I want to inform the Kenyans that once the arrests are done, the investigations are ongoing, and those investigations will be able to reveal the extent of the cartels that are involved in this particular attempts. And once we determine, we'll then be able to proceed with the prosecutions and ensure that whoever is involved faces the full force of the law. 3,500 classrooms so far, 200% completion. The second phase that is dealing with 7,500, we are almost at 57% completion across the country. And this last phase, which is 5,000, is also at various stages of construction. So we anticipate and we are looking forward to ensure that by the time we open schools in January, the 16,000 classrooms that were assessed will be in place. With respect to the textbooks have already been published, and the distribution started in the month of October and is ongoing all the way to December. And we've agreed with the principals and their deputies to ensure that they remain in school in order to receive these textbooks and while the schools are closed, to ensure that as we open, the principle of the ratio of 1-to-1 per student per textbook per subject is adhered to. So we'll be able to meet that deadline.